And when kids come here to Curiosity Farms, they are going to get confidence, not only in themselves, but in science and technology. And we hope that what that does is it gives a little spark to these kids so that they go on to pursue STEM further in their life because they've experienced the joy of it here at Curiosity Farms.
This is absolutely going to promote the curiosity of our children as they go into the future, as they decide what they're going to do for a living, as they decide where their food's going to come from. They're going to be very well educated. This is going to promote STEM in our communities, which is very, very important.
The Thanksgiving fund belongs to all of you. It's a public charity. And it's because of you and because of your participation that we're able to have such a beautiful, wonderful place for children to come.
There you go. Okay.